I just finished up that bowl of chili, and as I was saying about the afterburn, the heat started catching up with me. Good stuff, guys. Everybody, hope you're having a wonderful day. Hope you continue to have a wonderful day. And many thanks for stopping by Dancing Critter Acre. My name's Dean. Okay, this video I'm going to share two of my chili recipes. One, the only difference is that I spice it up a little bit more, dice up a jalapeno or two and throw into it as it's simmering in that. The other one, no jalapenos. So, reason I'm doing this is because Deb at Deb's Way is doing a chili challenge. It's hashtag chili challenge, and this is my entry to it. I'll go over the ingredients. In the two pans, I've just dropped in a pound each of ground sirloin. At least that's what the label said on it. I'll be adding just Kroger brand chili powder. And the other one, and the spicier one, I'll be throwing in a couple dashes of ground red cayenne. I'll season them with some onion powder, some garlic powder, and a little pepper. Plain old black pepper, which, okay, there is in there. For the beans in both, so that there isn't any difference, we got some Kroger brand kidney beans, light and dark. Chili beans, Bush's, and Aldi's brand Dakota, both mild. And then a big can of tomato sauce. So I'm going to let this stuff brown up, add my seasoning to it, season it up as it starts cooking a little bit, and then drain stuff off and then start adding everything to it. So I'll catch back with you guys in a bit. Never thought one of these would be really all that effective or that great, but they're nice. Kind of a pain in the butt to clean when it comes time to clean, but for getting your ground meats minced up good while you're cooking, they're really nice. A little garlic powder. About that much. I don't know how much that is, but give you a quick show. You can see, just light little dusting. Give it some flavor. I'll do about the same with the onion powder. Chili powder, I go a little heavier with it. This one's going to be the spicier of them. About that much. Depending on how spicy you like it, add up to it. And I can hear that the beef is starting to brown up, so we'll just give her a good chop and mix. Get them seasonings blend 10. So, be back with you in a bit. I forgot one more that I'm putting in. A little smoked paprika. Gives a good flavor without overwhelming it with spice. A couple shakes of some black pepper. There we go. That's it for the seasoning. Now it's just a matter of browning it up. While the chili the meat's browning up, I'm going to go ahead and slice up my jalapenos to add to it once the beef is done. You could add it to it browning the beef if you want a really good hot chili. All I'm going to do here is cut them lengthwise. I should have grabbed a better knife. About that much. Alright, I've been letting the meat brown up real good. I seasoned it. Smells wonderful. Both pots do. I do not drain off my beans because that's where we get most of our juices, and we like to add crackers or corn chips into it. So, to help soak up all that good flavor. So, here we go. And all I did there was I just got the majority of the residue out of the bottom of them. It's a pretty beany meal, so there again. Caught it and didn't spill it. That's all I'm doing is just catching that stuff. Now the tomato sauce. Voila. I guess if I had to guess at it, I'd probably end up with something like a cup and a half of water added to this from doing this to get everything cleaned out of the cans. Give this a stir. Get all the goodness out of the cans. Got to rinse them out anyways if you recycle them or put them in the trash either way, so might as well put it into the meal. Okay, this is when I add my jalapenos. And the hot batch. Like I said earlier, you could add it while you're browning up the meat or right after you've browned up the meat. But we'll let this sit and simmer for about 3.5, 4 hours, 5 hours. Let's see, it's 1:40 in the afternoon on a Sunday. So this will probably simmer for about 4.5 to 5 hours. And then it'll all be good. And of course, like most recipes, like stews and soups and chilies and spaghettis and that, once they've had time to like sit overnight and the flavors to all blend and flow together, it's so much better the next day. But this is a good meal too, so I'll show you real quick. There they are. And don't worry, those jalapenos, they'll sink down in there as they cook and warm up. Alright guys, all that's left now is you know, put lids on them, let them simmer. I've already turned the heat down from when I was browning it up, so we'll come back periodically, stir them, make sure that nothing starts sticking on the bottom, and then once it's once it's all done, I'll show you dishing it up and what we add to it, and anything that you want to add to it is fine by me, you know. Leave a comment down below. Make sure you guys get over and check out Deb at Deb's Way. Her and her husband, they live down in Florida. The older folks living on a retirement budget and that, and she's got some really good stuff. She takes little tours once in a while around the area and goes and visits some chickens. That was one of the first videos I think I watched, there's got some wild chickens or domesticated chickens that have escaped and formed their own gang. So get over there, check them out. I'll throw a link to her channel and the description down below. So we'll catch back with you guys later. Show you guys. There's the spicy one. There's what I just added. And then the mild chili. You know, just a little bit at a time until you get the flavors right. And then you're golden. So catch back with you later. Alright guys, it's like almost 3 hours after I started this batch of chili, the 2 batches of chili. The grandkids were about ready to start gnawing on my leg, so I decided I'd give them some chili. And we occasionally will make up macaroni noodles and
I like it. It's pretty good.
And add macaroni noodles to it, make it into chili mac. Also, we do cheese, you know, shredded cheddar, or whatever flavor cheese that you really like. Add to it onions occasionally, chopped up onion on top of it. Maybe even a dollop of sour cream. So I'm going to get the official results from the grandkids. Rain, what do you think of the chili? It's a 2 thumbs up. Thunder?
I'm sick, so my tongue pretty hurts. I like it.
Christy, Thunder, and my youngest stepdaughter Nixie all have a cold going on right now. So they're kind of a little under the weather. But well, I'm gonna get a bowl and try the spicier one. And it smells good.
If it tastes good.
And here, I'll bring you over. Now, you remember when I first tossed the jalapenos in, They were all floating around. They have blended in and mixed into the chili really good. Now, the spicier chili may not have the initial kick, but it's got what I like is an afterburn. So, and I know I'm going to eat way more than I should with this stuff, because I always do anytime we make chili up.
Grandpa likes chili. Don't you, Grandpa?
Yes, I do.
I love chili. I think you added a little touch to it, so that's probably why it tastes good. I think it's the best chili I've had ever in my life. I will like it like this.
A little more cheese. Gonna go with my bag of cheese tried falling over. Gonna go with corn chips. Corn chips ain't anything special. You can use regular round tortillas, triangle tortillas, strips, whatever, or the Fritos.
Or you could use Cheetos. I like cheese. Do you have cheese in yours? Mm-mm. I have 100 cheese in mine. 100.
Looking good.
Are you
Give it a
really
quick stir.
still talking to that camera?
Oh, I know this is gonna be hot. I can feel the heat through the bowl.
Oh.
Okay. Nice gooey melted cheddar in with this.
It looks
Thunder, go sit back down and eat your chili. I have to say, adding the cheese to it toned the spice down quite a bit on it. But it's good. It's got a nice little afterburn going on with it.
TV's on.
Guys, I greatly appreciate you coming along while I made up my chili. Like I said, I'll have a link into Deb's chili video, or to her channel, and a link to the chili challenge that she has going on. So, guys, I'm going to go ahead and sign off here. As always, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Hope you continue to have a wonderful day. Many thanks for stopping by the channel. You guys take care of yourselves. Best wishes to each and every one of you. Look forward to catching you guys in the next video. This is Dean from Dancing Critter Acres, signing off. Bye, everybody. I just finished up that bowl of chili, and as I was saying about the afterburn, the heat started catching up with me. Good stuff, guys.